Mohit Bhatt is also joining us live on the broadcast. Mohit, the scandal is unfolding. Politics is heating up. BJP has hit out at the INDIA bloc over these alleged discrepancies. But how's the opposition even justifying this? What are they saying really? Because brushing off these allegations and accusation doesn't seem very easy.
Well, in fact, yes, and this all has come out in an RTI reply. The RTI reply has made some shocking revelations. Now, how can you expect that e-rickshaw, which means electronic rickshaw, that can be filled with diesel, but then bill was put forward and bill was charged for that. Now, in petrol cars, diesel was refilled. Again, the bill was made up, a huge staggering amount of bill was made up. Now, for 550 people, 1 crore rupees of food, 1 crore rupees of food was being billed. Now, you can imagine that's 19,000 per plate. And what our reporters have been telling in Ranchi is that the 1 plate food in Radisson Blu in Ranchi is for around 2,000 to 3,000 rupees. So what explains this staggering hike, this inflation in the bills, that remains to be seen. But the opposition leaders are clearly not coming out, and they're blaming the Soren government. Some of them are coming out and they are basically saying that it's because of the agencies who are involved in this. This massive scam has happened. They say that the investigation will take place, but they are directly not blaming the government, because the government also had to keep check. And many of the people who are associated with this particular story, they are saying that this takes them back to 2001 National Games in Jharkhand, where a similar scam happened. So this is something which is very shocking. BJP is sitting out at the Jharkhand government saying that this is height of corruption, and this has happened during a hockey tournament.
And has erupted and is exploding over graft allegations, but it's extremely outrageous, Mohit. We have a plethora of callers who are continuously calling us. Why don't you stay with us? We have our second caller, Mr. S.S. Ranjan, who has just joined us on the phone line. Over to you, sir. What do you have to say about this scam, the extent of the rot? When we speak of the Asian Women's Hockey Championship, I'm sure you're aware of the numbers, the inflated bills, 19,000 rupees for 1 plate of dinner, diesel being filled in e-rickshaws, bizarre sort of claims.
Shameless sports body. They have not learnt anything from CWG scam. Every now and then these things are happening. I remember our Prime Minister's words that we seek opportunity in crisis. But here the matter is ulta. Reverse, गाड़ी तो उल्टी चल रही है. Reverse में आप काम कर रहे हैं. And we have lowered our prestige not only in India, all over world. Everybody is watching us. We are simply looting the common man. The money which is due to spend, to those people who are not having sports knowledge, or those elementary children who are playing. We have been looting that money to please.
Exactly, it's a loot of the Aam Aadmi Party, Aam Aadmi's money, the common man's money, which ideally should have been used for the welfare of these players, is actually being digressed for graft. And you say exemplary punishment, need of the hour. Capital Jaspal also on the phone line with us. Capital Jaspal, would you agree? Exemplary punishment, the need of the hour, sir?
Good afternoon. The real recourse is a special audit, a FIR, recovery with 18% interest from the individuals, and this will only happen if the fourth pillar of the democracy launches a campaign for a sustained period. Otherwise, they are thoroughly corrupt. Thank you.
Absolutely. And Soundarya Rajan from Bengaluru also on the phone line with us. Afternoon, ma'am. Thank you for joining us on Times Now. What do you have to say about these staggering numbers, the discrepancies, ma'am, which have come to light after this RTI investigation?
Yeah, this is Sundar Rajan from Bangalore.
Yes, Mr. Sundar Rajan. Apologies, sir. Please go ahead.
Yeah, the thing is that the kind of scam that have been done, and putting a bill for 19,000 rupees for each meal, and then trying to fill petrol and diesel for e-vehicles.
Yeah.
I do not know whom they are trying to hoodwink. And the guys who are involved in this particular scam should be immediately brought to books. And then a very, very harsh punishment need to be given so that these things do not occur in future. That is the need of the hour. and definitely a common man's money
All right.
being spent.
Harsh punishment, the need of the hour. That's what most of our callers have to say. Deepak Prakash of the BJP also with us. Thank you, Mr. Prakash, for joining us on Times Now. I'm sure you're aware of what the RTI says, some startling revelations which we were just telling our viewers about, dubious transactions, one dinner worth 19,000 rupees, sports body being billed for diesel and petrol for e-vehicles. What do you have to say about the extent of this rot, sir, first of all?
ये झारखंड की सरकार, झारखंड मुक्ति मोर्चा और कांग्रेस और आरजेडी की सरकार ने, हम कह सकते हैं कि खेल विभाग में खेला हो गया है, घोटाला हो गए। और घोटाले इस सरकार में हर विभाग में, जिस विभाग में आप सुनने का काम कीजिएगा, देखने का काम कीजिए, तो हर विभाग में घोटाले नजर आएंगे। ये कांग्रेस की सरकार है झारखंड मुक्ति मोर्चा झारखंड में। दूसरी बात मैं कह रहा हूं कि ये जो महिला हॉकी, जो एशियन महिला हॉकी चैंपियनशिप में जो घोटाले के चीजें सरफेस पे आई है, ये बड़ा दुर्भाग्य है। और खेल निर्देशालय ने ई रिक्शा में डीजल भरवाने का काम किया, एक नया आविष्कार झारखंड में। ई रिक्शा भी अब डीजल से चलने लगा है। और जो खाने के पैसे, एक प्लेट की कीमत शायद दुनिया की सबसे महंगी कीमत में यहाँ पर लोगों को देने का काम किया गया है।
जी, पर अभी सर सरकार का कहना है that we have initiated a probe, we are investigating the matter. Are you satisfied? क्या आप satisfied हैं इससे?
नहीं, कहीं दूर दूर तक नहीं है। सरकार हर विभाग में घोटाले हैं। और जब सबसे दुर्भाग्य है कि यहाँ पर खेल विभाग, जो एक आदिवासी बहुल क्षेत्र है और आदिवासियों की एक प्रतिभा है खेल में, हॉकी के क्षेत्र में, और वो विभाग में जब भ्रष्टाचार आएगा, घोटाले होंगे, तो इससे दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण और क्या हो सकता है। यहाँ पर हमारी आदिवासी बहनें हॉकी खेलती हैं और उन आदिवासी बहनों के खेल के माध्यम से रोजगार के सृजन होते हैं, झारखंड का भविष्य ऊंचा होता है। और हम कह सकते हैं कि हर साख पर उल्लू बैठा हुआ है, अंजामे पुलिस का क्या होगा। झारखंड में हर विभाग में भ्रष्टाचार है और इसलिए हम बार बार कह रहे हैं कि ये सरकार कुंभकर्णी निद्रा में सोई हुई है। सरकार में अगर थोड़ी भी नैतिकता है तो FIR दर्ज करते हुए CBI की जांच हो, ED की जांच हो, और दूध का दूध और पानी का पानी होना चाहिए।
Absolutely, big demand coming in from the side of the BJP. BJP is now saying that a CBI probe and inquiry is needed into all these allegations. We have another reaction coming in. Shehzad Poonawalla of the BJP has also hit out at the Jharkhand government. BJP is intensifying its attack from Khel Mein Khela to CWG 2.0. Those are the type of jibes which are coming in from the side of the BJP. Listen into what Shehzad had to say.
झारखंड की JMM सरकार ने CWG पार्ट 2 घोटाला कर दिया है। जिस प्रकार से अब तथ्य सामने निकल कर आ रहे हैं कि किस प्रकार से खेल मंत्रालय ने, झारखंड सरकार के खेल निदेशालय ने CWG पार्ट 2 करवाया है और बहुत बड़ा घोटाला करवाया है एशियन महिला हॉकी चैंपियनशिप के नाम पर। उसके कुछ तथ्य जानकर आप चौंक जाएंगे, हैरान हो जाएंगे कि कैसे घोटाला करते। वैसे इनके पूरे इंडिया अलायंस में बहुत ही यूनिक टाइप के घोटाले करने की पुरानी आदत है भाई। गाय का चारा भी चोरी कर दिया था, गरीबों की जमीन भी चुरा ली थी,